Hey, what's going on, guys? So, in today's video, I am going to show you how to recover hacked Instagram account without email, phone number, and password. So, let's start. All right, so first, let's go ahead and open up our web browser. And here, let's just type Instagram slash hacked. Let's choose the first result. And let's tap on the first option here. And let's tap on this one that says visit this page. So here there is a prompt that says open app. So let's tap on this one. And let's tap on my account was hacked. And let's tap next. Now here you need to provide your username and tap next. All right, so here, if you don't have access to your phone number or your email, let's try and tap on try another way. Okay, now here, let's choose my account was hacked. Let's tap on this option here and tap on next. And here it says, do you have more than one photo of yourself in your account? Now, in this one, Instagram is trying to figure out if it is really you by taking a selfie video to confirm your account. So you just have to tap on this one and tap on next, and your camera will open and take a short video of your face. And if it matches on your profile picture or your pictures in Instagram, then you will recover your account. All right, so I hope that is helpful for you guys. Thank you for watching, and I will see you on the next one.